How to find product to dropship on eBay. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you step-by-step process to dropship and find profitable and winning product on eBay without using any application and no prior dropshipping experience. In this video I will guide you with the easy strategy and tools that can streamline your product research process. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First guys, open your eBay account. As you know, eBay is one of the most e-commerce platform in the United States, but you still have the ability to sell any product on eBay even you are not from United States. Then this video will show you first how you can easily find the dropshippers. Then I will show an example to find the dropshippers. Then guys, if I pick a random product, for example this product, it's very easy guys to find the dropshippers because most dropshippers using Alibaba or AliExpress to import product. That's why you need to find that the products coming from China but the seller it's from another country. For example, this product it's coming from China, as you see guys, China, but you need to check the seller account. Just go to seller account to find the dropshippers and you will be able to spy it and sell the same product that the seller sell on eBay. Then guys, scroll down. For example, this product it's coming from China. Then you need to check the seller account. Just hit on visit profile. It's very easy guys. Then hit on about. As you see guys, the seller is coming from Norway. This one is a dropshipper because it's import. It's the product it's coming from the product it's coming from China, but the seller it's from another country. This one is our dropshipper. Then guys, I will pick a random product on AliExpress. For example, just go and select any product that you want on AliExpress if you want to find the dropshippers, or you can just show you an example on another dropshippers on eBay. Then guys, for example, this product guys, it's coming also from China, Shanghai, China, but the seller is from another country. Just you need to check the seller account. Then guys, you need to hit on visit profile. It's very easy guys to find the dropshippers on eBay. Then you can easily spy it and sell the same product that the dropshippers sell on eBay. Then for example, just hit on about. As you see guys, this one is from Morocco, it's the same country. Then this is the dropshippers guys, it's import product, he imported product from AliExpress to eBay. Then if you want to guys to sell the same product that dropshippers sell on eBay, just go back and hit on shop. Then you need to spy every product that sold on his account. Then hit on shop. Then scroll down to the bottom. It's very easy guys. Make sure to finish this video until the end, then you will be able to how you can easily be a dropshipper on eBay, because guys I'm using the eBay dropshipping for a long time. It's very easy. Just hit on see all, then left side go directly and scroll down to sold item. Then automatically you have done. You can easily sell and sell this product also on your account. This product, just open the product. For example, as you see guys, the product has 8 sold. Then if you want to sell this product also on your account, just with the easy steps guys, you need to hit on sell now. Then it will take you directly to listing section on your eBay account. Then you need to just add the pictures and some adjusted if you want to add some specifications, variation. As you see guys, just you need to select a new, because a new product you need to add your own description, the pricing if you want to buy it now, and you need to tap your price. For example, this seller sell this product is with 21, you need to list it and sell it with 29.99, for example, less than this seller. Then go back and you need to scroll down, and you need to, if you want to I prefer if you are a beginner on eBay, you need to always using the free shipping. Then on the bottom hit on list it now. Now guys, this is the easy method to find the dropshippers and sell the same product on that sellers sale on his account, then you need just to reduce the price. Then guys, if you want to import the picture, just you need to go and you need to add an extension to your browser. His name is AliExpress search by image. Just pick any picture, then and right click and hit on search goods on AliExpress by image, then hit on search. It will take you guys directly to AliExpress and the same product on AliExpress, guys. As you see guys, this is the product. Then on AliExpress, how much is cost on AliExpress. As you see guys, this is the easy method to find the dropshippers. As you see guys, the product on AliExpress, let's take a few seconds to find the product. For example, this one. Sorry, it's not working. If it doesn't work, just go and make some research for the title product. Then guys, I will show you an example on a dropshippers. For example, this one. Sorry, this one guys also is a dropshippers, guys. The product is coming from China, but the seller also it's coming from another country. Then guys, just hit on account seller, then hit on about. As you see guys, it's coming from Israel, and also this one is a dropshipper. Just hit on shop. It's very easy guys to find the dropshippers. It's take a few seconds for the first time, but when you try it more than 5 times, it will be able to you can easily find the dropshippers. Then hit on see all. It's very easy guys. Then on the left side, go directly and hit on sold item. Then you will be able to find the only sold item. For example, this one and this one also. It's very easy guys. As you see guys, 2 sold on the few days or previous days. Then guys, if you want to also sell this product on your account, just hit on sell now on the left side. Then you will be able to sell the product, but you need to reduce the price, guys. Make sure always to reduce the price, because the most people researching product for the price. Make sure to put, for example, 26.55 or 99. Then guys, this is the easy method guys to find the dropshippers and dropship on eBay, just using the eBay as the same, that without using any applications guys and no prior experience. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.